Hello viewers, in this lesson I'm going to teach you how to use two forms of be verb is and are in the present tense. Everybody knows that in the present tense we use is and are. And I would also like to teach you two adjectives, old and young, with their comparative and superlative forms. Old and young. These two words are opposite words. Old, young. Now, read the following sentence and learn how are is used. Let's look at the sentence. There are 3 children in this family. There are 3 children in this family. So, that means this family has 3 children. This family has 3 children. You can see. So, whenever we are going to talk about people, animals, things or places in another place somewhere, if there are more than one animals, people or things in a particular place, we use there are first, and then those people, animals or things, after that we mention the place using a place preposition. Now let's look at some more examples. Look at this picture. What can you see? There are some books on the table. There are some books on the table. So when we are talking about this, we can see some books on the table. So we say that there are, then some books, then the place on the table. There are some books on the table. Now, I hope you can understand it. Now look at this picture. There are lots of cars in the car park. In the car park. You can understand that also. Okay, here is another example. There are 2 cats on the chair. There are 2 cats on the chair. There are, after there are, we use the number of people or animals or things. Then we talked about the place. There are 2 cats on the chair. Here is another example. There are lots of trees here. There are lots of trees here. When we use the word here, we don't use a preposition before that. There are lots of trees here. Okay, here's another example. There are a lot of people at the bank. There are a lot of people at the bank. I hope you can understand how to use are with the word there. First you say there are. After that say the number of people, animals or things. Then you use the place where they are. Okay, now look at another sentence where this are is used in a different way. They are Kavisha, Tivarna and Nikila. They are Kavisha, Tivarna and Nikila. Now here they is a pronoun. They is a pronoun. Who are they? Who are they? They are, and you can say the number of people, you can say their names. They are Kavisha, Tivarna and Nikila. I'll give you another example. I have 3 friends. I have 3 friends. Now I can say their names like this. They are Nimal, Sunil and Kamal. They are Nimal, Sunil and Kamal. I hope you also can introduce your friends by using their names. Okay, we can say there are 3 friends. There are 3 friends. We can say their names like this. They are Nimal, Sunil and Kamal. Okay, right. That is how to use are in two different structures, with their and with they. Okay, now let's come to today's problem. Well, now before we come to today's problem, let's learn two adjectives, old and young. Old and young, they are opposite words. Old and young. Now, everybody knows that most of the adjectives have two degrees, two more forms, old, older, oldest, and young, younger, youngest. Okay, I hope you can understand the two words. Old, older, oldest, and young, younger, youngest. Now read the problem and try to find the answer. Kavish is younger than his brother. Kavish is younger than his brother Nikhila, but he is older than his sister Tivarna. Can you understand it? Kavish is younger. When we are compare two people, we use the comparative form. Comparative form of an adjective is usually formed by adding er to the positive form. Young, younger. So, Kavish is younger than his brother Nikhila, but he is older than his sister Tivarna. He is older than his sister Tivarna. Now, our question today is, which of the three is the oldest? Oldest is the superlative form. Youngest and oldest. Which of the three is the oldest and which of the three is the youngest? You can ask two questions. Right. So, what's your answer? Think carefully of this. I hope you can understand the sentence.
Learn online English.
Small group classes.
4.
Beginners.
School children.
Office workers.
Cambridge TKT for teachers.
Call us on 07142473341.
Or WhatsApp your details.
And now that you know the meanings of all the words and how to use is and also younger and older, I am sure you can find the answer. Well, what is the answer? Which of the three is the oldest? Well, the answer is Nikhila. Nikhila is the oldest of the three children. And who is the youngest? Well, Tivarna is the youngest of the three children. I hope you understood the problem. So that's the end of today's lesson. And if you want to watch this same lesson in Sinhala, you go to Jayatis Atauda Hetti YouTube channel so that you can watch the same video in Sinhala. Okay? Goodbye and good luck.